Okay, video showing our problems with our boats. First of all, just to show fresh batteries, both, I don't know if you can see them, they're green lights. So batteries are fully charged, and both of these guys have brand new AA Duracells in them, just purchased. You can see the expiration date is 28th. And I will load batteries into both boats, and we will take them down to the water, and I will do one more video down there. Okay, so we've got it in the water, full speed, and that's what it's doing. You're turning right now? Guys, won't get up on plane. Turn the other way. Bring it straight back. That is it. Won't get up on plane. Front nose. There's my big right turn. And then I tell it